Want to dip Santa, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This looks cool. Guys, it's always popping at our church. I wonder what's in here.
Like he's going to.
He don't know we might be on tonight, but we looking good and he talking right.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Go out for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default. Down.
How getting you some man's in anything to talk? Oh, I mean, this is like the last place for the scene. These are my initials, guys. Do y'all see my initials? Jane Busio. Rare. I am rare. Y'all see that? The girl is rare. Guys, this is so heavy. Ew. Like I'm trying to pick it up. There's like money galore, like coins for days. But you know what? That's what happens when you're working at a school. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be showing this, but it's heavy.
Spin this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now some mountain you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani cat you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right.
Woo! That's Shisilanga. Woo, Demi.
I give it a this weather's on and off.
That man don't love you. How could you make you wear a tracksuit? Kidding, girl. He loves you.
You don't love me. I'm burning on my own now.
My hair. I need to do my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I don't want to do 4 locks anymore because guys, so I bought this for a colleague, and I almost got in with it at the shop. So putting it in the car. Suzuki. We are at Mia's Wholesale. They sell literally anything at a discounted price. You want a child? Come to Mia's. I'm joking. Anything but that. I'm just put in there.
I think we're gonna have to calculate in terms of 6 instead of 10. You want orange? Which other one?
What other one is there?
Oh, is it
Pineapple.
No,
Tropical.
So we
Definitely try lemon. Any day. Yeah? 12. Cokes, we can original. It's the original taste soft drink, my babies. So now we are at ShopRite looking for a costume Yiga center because the older generation want a Christmas fair. Imagine. I'm sure now you go die for your school. Huh? You go die for your school.
It's what they say is. Then what next? 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 Love exception. So why oh why oh why?
What's up, everybody? Hope you're good. This is your girl, Mus Scales, and this is your homeboy, Kumkani. He's blushing. Anyways, what are you doing then? Okay, so anyways, today is the 7th, it's the 8th of December. Yesterday was the 7th. I shot content and I didn't have an intro. So this is the intro for this video. It's early in the morning on the 8th. But why? No, this boy does not see this channel. He does not rate us. Anyway.
And every time I sleep on my mommy said on night.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Why are you lying to my viewers? I do not condone dishonesty.
Every time I did this, my mommy said sleep on it. Every time I sleep on it, when mother back.
Every time?
Yes.
Every time?
Yeah.
You're a liar. You don't do that. What were you about to do?
She's always scared of herself.
Of myself?
Yeah.
Boy, you better be scared of me.
No.
Anyways, enjoy the video, guys. Bye. Tell them to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like.
So, Kumkani's teacher is going for an operation and we are going to make a gift card, and again, sometimes it's better, but it's 7 o'clock, so it makes sense that my English might not come out as good as I assume it to. But anyways, it's sometimes better. It's December, and the more money a person has, the better. So we're not gonna buy her like some care or whatnot. We are gonna put some cash dollars in the letter that we're about to make her. And yeah, because she's going for an operation, and she's been such an amazing teacher. I mean, she's been so patient towards Kumkani, and I'm so grateful for that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that with Kumkani. Still in my night dress. Yes.
At school, at Mini Explorer, we were painting with our fingers on a paper plate.
Nice. That must have been fun, right? Yeah. Please don't mind. Do not mind the flower. Bought that yesterday. Didn't move it.
I opened the red.
I hope it's not dry.
You try purple. And I will try red.
You want to dip your hand in it? Yeah, but look at how tiny this thing is. So I'm gonna have to paint your hand.
Oh.
Yeah. No, my friend. Turn it around. Okay, cool.
How could you do this?
How could I do this? This is for your teacher. She is going to love. She is going to love this. She will remember you forever. She'll remember this.
My favorite color is red.
Is it?
Yeah.
Since when, my friend?
Today. Every day.
Since today, every day.
I mean every
Interesting.
day. That's what I said. I said every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
Every day. I'm sorry.
Even you have to do this.
Whoa, okay. So where are you going to put where are you going to stamp? Whoa. Okay. Do your magic. No. Anyway, okay. Anyway, it's fine. Buso. Okay, thank you. You're moving your hand. Okay, take it off. You're a champion, son. My guy. Why would you do that?
I want to fill up the middle.
No.
I I do.
No, don't fill it up with your hand. So guys, people, I just smeared glue over this portion and I'm just gonna press on it. We have load shedding until 9 o'clock. Imagine this plus load shedding. Honestly, our government cannot be serious. They should be helping ESCOM. They should be helping ESCOM with fixing what needs to be fixed. So they're building new classes at our school, which is really, really awesome. It was asbestos classes, but we needed to get rid of them because, well, children, it's harmful to both the teacher and the children. I cannot believe how much it's raining right now, but yeah.
His birthday. He was 4, now he's 6.
Now he's what?
6.
Now he's 6.
5.
Why would this person drive so slow in this lane and then he stops? And then
Let me hold the phone for
people don't have any sense of urgency sometimes, you know?
you.
They don't.
Well, you're driving. Let me Welcome to
Welcome to?
Love Your Church.
Welcome to Love Your Church.
Yeah.
Wow.
I didn't see it perfectly, but
Okay.
it's not worth it.
Kumkani's at the playground. Whew, the lighting at church, guys. The lighting at church. Who? But the grass is wet. Hey guys. Hey. Happy Friday. And stuff. So the vibes. Christmas tree, the vibes. Merry Christmas. Guys, it's always popping at our church. I wonder what's in here. I don't know where to take these snacks. Anyways. What are you then?
That's what I can guarantee.
Then we have Pratats. This is the man behind the amazing videos of Excel and I'll put his the link to his channel. You better subscribe to his channel and like his videos and watch his videos and stuff. Licking his fingers and that is none other than the tallest man on solid ground, Mbuso. And then the lady who has no waist behind him. Ooh, I can't wait for this one. Babzanya. Babzanya. I think there's bacon, there's sweet corn, there's gravy. Amazing stuff. Yo. Guys, is he sharing how to stop load shedding? Because your faces are so serious. I mean, yeah, that's more serious actually. Yeah, that's good. Mbuso, the MC. She's here. Do you remember Miss immediately?
I think there's worship in production. We normally don't do this kind of things. So it's really nice that we get to spend time together.
Then suddenly, a great warrior of light appeared, Gabriel. When she saw the tall, shining man standing there, Mary was frightened. Mary was scared. Don't be scared, Gabriel said. God is very happy with you. Let's check. Mary looked around to see if perhaps he was talking to someone else. Mary, Gabriel said, and he laughed with such gladness that Mary's eyes filled with sudden tears. Mary, you're going to have a little boy. You will call him Jesus. He is God's own son. He's the one, the rescuer. Check. So, hold on. Coming to you though.
Santa, thank you so
Santa,
much.
Santa.
Thank you so much. This looks cool.